Meaning of inert.
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 Inert. The term inert typically refers to a substance or material that is incapable of taking part in chemical reactions or being transformed into other substances. In other words, an inert substance is essentially non-reactive and stable under normal conditions. The result of this lack of reactivity can be both positive and negative. On one hand, inert materials provide stability and durability in various applications, such as the construction of buildings or the manufacturing of certain products. On the other hand, this lack of reactivity can also limit the usefulness of inert materials in certain settings, such as in chemical reactions where a reactive substance is needed to drive a reaction forward.